In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna and Sezzle for your next Uber Eats purchase. Whether you're simply trying to manage your spending or enjoy the flexibility of buy now, pay later services, these options can certainly make your ordering experience more convenient. First, let's look at how to use Klarna. Begin by downloading the Klarna app on your smartphone or visiting Klarna's website from your desktop. Once you've set up and logged into your account, you'll be ready to create a one-time card. This one-time card will serve as the payment method for your Uber Eats purchase. To create the card, enter the amount you plan to spend on Uber Eats. Klarna will then generate a unique one-time card for your purchase. Once you have this set, copy the details of your one-time card. Now head over to your Uber Eats app or website. At the checkout page, where you usually enter your payment information, paste the one-time card details from Klarna as a new payment method. This process is smooth and allows you to seamlessly complete your purchase using Klarna's Pay Later service. Now, let's explore how to accomplish the same task using Sezzle. Start by downloading the Sezzle app onto your phone and creating an account if you haven't done so already. Once the app is open, you'll need to search for Uber Eats within it. When you find Uber Eats, tap on the option Pay with Sezzle, which will prompt you to enter your intended purchase amount. This will allow Sezzle to generate a single-use virtual card specifically for your Uber Eats order. Just like with Klarna, once you enter the purchase amount, Sezzle will provide the card details. Take these virtual card details and head back to your Uber Eats checkout page. When you reach the payment section, input your Sezzle-generated card information as a new payment option and finalize your order. Utilizing these virtual cards from Klarna and Sezzle not only simplifies the payment process, but also lets you take advantage of flexible payment plans. Remember, while these services offer the benefit of deferring payment, it's essential to keep track of what you spend and ensure you can meet the payment terms when due. Always check the terms and conditions for any fees or potential interest to avoid any surprises later on. By following these steps, you can have a smoother experience ordering from Uber Eats while also managing your budget effectively. That's all for today's guide. Enjoy your meal and happy ordering.